So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram stories are just not deleting. So maybe you're going through and adding a story to Instagram and they're just not deleting no matter what you do. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. So if we go ahead and paste a story on our Instagram story and we just click our story right here, sometimes the very first thing you just want to double check is to make sure your internet connection is actually properly set up. So you want to make sure your Wi-Fi connection up here is, on. You would also want to make sure if you're connected to data, your data is on, because most of the time if you're having any problem like that, it's usually because of your Wi-Fi connection problem. So now that we can kind of see our story has been posted, we want to click on the story after making and double and triple checking and making sure our story wasn't, Instagram, Wi-Fi and everything is on. We want to make our way to our story. We can click on the more option down here, and we want to click on the delete option once more. So click on delete, click delete once more. And while the story is deleting, just make sure you don't exit out of Instagram just yet. So now it says you have 30 days to, whatever. So just click dismiss. Now, a lot of people may notice that if you actually hop out of Instagram there, you'll see that the story might still be there. So what you want to avoid doing is deleting the story, then quickly hopping out of Instagram, closing your phone and going on with your day. You want to make sure that you refresh that page and you want to make sure it shows the plus there. Because if it does not show the plus there, and that can cause an issue. So now that we're back, we can go and make another story. We can do something else if we want to, whatever the case is. But you just want to make sure when you post that story, you still stay within the application, because if you don't, that may end up messing the story up too, and that might not even delete it. Now, the other thing you want to do is go into your app store just in case nothing is working, and you want to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So make your way over to your search bar here, click up here, go ahead and type in Instagram just like so, and you want to go ahead and see if there's an update available. If there is, just go ahead and update your Instagram app, and that will probably end up fixing the problem as well. And that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.